Hey man, finally, bro. Finally, they are here, and oh my god, bro. I know I already had a pair. I seen them ahead, but now that it's officially my pair, my size, bro, I do not know how to act, bro. Over 10 years, we finally have them back in the personal collection. We gotta talk about it. We gotta check these things out, and hopefully the pairs that have been sent out to, you know what I'm saying, loyal Nike customers are A1, because we've seen what happened with the Air Jordan 3 Black Cements. Let's hope we got a good pair. Let's check these things out. And everybody, I'm telling you, these might sit for a little while. They might not fly off the shelves. But in due time, bro, in due time, these will be gone, and it's going to be a wow. I'm talking about a wow before we see another retro of these joints right here. Let's get into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in to another video. It's always greatly appreciated. I had to give you guys this, authentic energy. I gotta get you guys, what I'm saying. Hopefully y'all had a good day. And if you didn't, hopefully I, what I'm saying, pass on some good spirits to you guys when we interacting with y'all. And of course, as always, make sure you comment down below. Let me know what's going on. Let me know if you hit on any of those Black Friday GOAT deals. I was under a rock. I was sleeping, literally didn't know anything about it. And that goes to say, bro, you gotta be on Instagram, you gotta be on Twitter, YouTube and stuff like that to get hit on these sort of things. Or you can be in a couple different Discords, and I happen to be in all those type of groups. I was literally just asleep. I was under a rock. I didn't know nothing about it until after the fact. I don't know what happened, bro. But next time I'll for sure hit you guys with some info, let you guys know what's going on. This is probably the best GOAT Black Friday things they've done in a while. Giving away Mocha, T-Rex, Travis Scott's for retail. Giving away the red joints, University Red, Jumpman Jacks for retail. They had some Air Jordan 6 Travis Scotts. They had a bunch of Travis Scott sneakers on there, going for a steal price for retail. And there's still some things on GOAT app right now under the Black Friday steals and deals section. You gotta hold that lock, and then once the lock opens up, just let your finger up. They're gonna give you all the deals, but it's probably, everything probably gone. I searched through a couple of them. They have a couple of sneakers on there still, so make sure you guys go tap in with that. But let me know if you hit on anything from the GOAT Black Friday sale in the comment section. If you guys are new here to the channel, you already know what I'm asking you to do, man. I already know, y'all already know, bro. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, do your boy solid, leave a huge like on today's video. Likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the contents to help your boy out. It's December, you know what I'm saying? We should be all in a given mood. One free like, a couple comments down below. That'll get your boy right, man. You know what I'm saying? I'd be appreciated, bro. All right, enough talking, enough intro. I know y'all like, bro, let's go ahead and get into it. I know a lot of y'all probably already skipped through, but you guys know how excited I am for these guys right here. One of my most anticipated sneaker pickups of the year, bro, and they are finally here. I had a pair, like I said in my last video. I said if y'all want them for retail, hit me up, and them things been long gone. But this is definitely a double up, because I'm going to get some good wears out of these guys right here. Y'all should know exactly what we have when you see that box. Y'all should know what we have. Hold on, I gotta get this out. Y'all should know what we got when y'all see, saying that traditional, it's an Air Jordan up top, the red Jumpman, gray at the bottom, and the official colorway reads. Oh, I gotta see the size first. Size 9.5. Y'all know what time it is. Air Jordan 11 Retro, white, legend blue, and black. And yes, sir, man, your boy finally has them, bro. I finally got them. They are finally here, man. Your boy personal. Oh, man, these things is crazy. Go ahead and check them out, bro. The Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues. And oh, man, dude, I don't know what it is, bro. The 10 years definitely weighed on your boy. And I got that size 9.5. They feel a lot more manageable. Definitely can throw these things on feet. So stay tuned. You already know I got to do a whole reviewing on feet. I got to do a fit. You know what I'm saying? We got to throw a couple fits together for these Legend Blues. And it's super easy to wear. Because they all white with the Legend Blue at the bottom. But man, just a quick 360. Hold on. Let me get the other pair out real quick and just check them out. Throw the box to the side, and man, the quality is looking A1. Y'all see them, bro. Y'all see them. Y'all know what's going on. And again, like I said in the intro, there are going to be a lot of pairs of these. I already checked on GOAT. They're going for under retail. I checked, you know, even on that shot drop, which is alarming. People said it was wait like 30 minutes after shot drop, they still hit. And I said, okay, that shows y'all what's going on with the Legend Blues. But it's just crazy. It's crazy, you know what I'm saying? Usually when you hear Jordan actually wore a sneaker, he actually put them on court, he laced them up, people tend to go crazy for him. But it's a whole totally different thing now. People only want Travis Scott, you know, J Balvin, Off-Whites and stuff like that. But when it comes to OGs, bruh, not even just OGs for me. When it comes to classic, nostalgic sneakers, I am most definitely going to add them to the collection. And they did your boy right. Look at that. Columbia Air Jordan 11, guys. And like I said, bruh, this is an instant double up. Ain't no doubt about it. It's going to be a double up. And they just look so perfect, bruh. Like Nike, appreciate you, dog. No mesh on the upper like they did for the lows. Let me grab them real quick. Actually, the 2014 came with the mesh. The 2020, what did it come out? 2022, they came with the leather on the upper with the mesh tongue. You guys already know what's going on. Same with the highs right here. But to give you guys a quick little, you know, tidbit, like people are already talking about how the Legend Blues, they yellow really fast. So these came out like 3-4 years ago. Like 2 years ago, actually, the lows, and this is a pair that came out this year. Just know your pair is gonna look like the pair that dropped a couple years back due to oxidation, due to wearing them and stuff like that. So be prepared for that, but don't let that hold y'all, bro, because y'all should get some wears out of these. Y'all should definitely get some dope wears out of these guys right here. I love them. I'm doubling up. I'm gonna have a pair on ice for a very, very long time. And, you know, beat this pair up. I am going to beat this pair up. Y'all heard it here first, man. Of course, you got the 2019 or the 2020. They came out 2020 or 2019. Not too sure. And, of course, you have the Space Jams and the Concords, which I do have both. And I actually have the DMP looking, or what they call these, Gratitudes. This is not the Concords, but I do have them. So just stick around, stay tuned. I'll give you guys a full, you know, in-depth breakdown of all the OG colorways that Jordan did wear. Stay tuned for that. It's coming soon. Just hey, it's coming real soon, bro. But again, man, back to the Legend Blue Columbia 11s. Let me know down below in the comment section if you did secure a pair. Let me know if you added a pair to the collection. Are you waiting to the release date? Are you going to pass? Because there are people saying they're going to pass. I wouldn't suggest that, bro. I do not think these are going to release for a very, very long time due to the history, due to the norm of Air Jordan 11 OG colorways. So hey, just don't sleep, bro. That's all I'm saying. Do not sleep when it comes to these Legend Blue Air Jordan 11s. Full review on feet will be coming very soon near you because he's dropping like what, about a week or so. So hey, I got y'all, man. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Make sure you subscribe right now, hit the notification bell, drop them comments down below. Let me know how you feel about some of these, you know, OG colorways, some of these releases that we are about to get in 2025, because it is getting crazy. But again, I'll be, you know, stand by reading the comments, but I appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Sub up, hit that like button. All that's being said, your boy The Vintage. I want to catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.